You can't clean without them running around tearing up. Tape them to the wall. You can't cook or none of that because they running around. Tape them to the wall.
Hi dear friends, welcome to Indonesian and English learning channel. Today we have a news, and our news is about a boy taped to a wall. Sometimes mothers threaten their children, such as when they cannot clean or cook because their children are running around. One mother took this too far. An 18-year-old mother from Ohio taped her 2-year-old son to the wall with the mouth taped shut, so she would be able to do some housework. She even put footage of this on social media. At one point of the video, you can hear the boy trying to cry. The police received a tip-off about the footage and arrested the mother. The police took her son into custody for his own safety. Thank you very much for watching, and please, for our support, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Bye.